Okay, class. So now I'm going to explain to you what are the requirements for a union to get recognition from the employer. So these are the things that the union must meet, okay, in order for the application to get recognition from the employer is being approved by the management. So the first one is the union must be legally registered. Okay, we have learned previously that the union, in order for them to exist, they need to apply for the certificate of registration from the trade union office. So when they apply from the trade union office, the DGTU, Director General of Trade Union, after go through the application, okay, may give them certificate of registration if they fulfill all the requirement of the registration. Okay, and therefore, in order to prove that they are legally registered, okay, the union must have the registration certificate, number one. Number two, the union must be competent. In order for them to represent the employees concerned, okay, they need to be competent enough. What does it mean by competent? The leader of the union must be competent to lead the union, to ensure that the trade union movement can go smoothly. Okay, so in this case, we are talking about the KSA, knowledge, skills, and ability of the union leader. Did the union leader have the knowledge of the union? Did the union leader have the knowledge of the what we call laws laws related to the employment? Did the union have the skills, negotiation skills, communication skills to represent the union members? Did they have enough skill to communicate the concern to the management? Okay, so these are the things that they need to fulfill. That means they need to be competent enough to represent the employees' concern. We're talking especially about the leaders. Number two. Number three, the union must be appropriate union. What does it mean by appropriate? The union must be suitable union to represent the employees' concern. For example, let's say we're talking about banking industries. Okay, um, so did the union that exists really represent the employees from the banking sector, or that they represent the employees from automotive? Okay, so these are the things that the employer will check. So how employer will check? Employer can check the appropriateness of the union with the DGTU office. Because remember earlier tadi, okay, you have registered when you go through the process of registration, you go to trade union department, isn't it? Okay, so in order for the employer to check the appropriateness of the union, the employer also can go to DGTU office and check either that registration of the union is suitable and really represent the specific employees. Okay, and the last one, the union must be sufficiently representative of the employees concerned. That means, okay, the membership of the members of the union must more than 50.1%. Okay, let's say you have 100 people in that one company. Okay, so at least you must have 51 from 100 employees joining the union. Okay, so we can say that they have sufficient representative to represent the employees concerned. So these are the four requirements, okay, before you can proceed with the recognition from the employer. Okay, class?